Hey guys, I'm Minnie and this is my YouTube channel. So welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video, so give me some love. And please excuse me for lightings and something that's not right because I'm also learning. Today I'm going to talk about eyeshadows. Now, eyeshadow is something which is kind of part of your personality because some people really like to experiment and go, crazy with colors. But me as a person, I like to keep it very subtle and classy. So I like to have something which, kind of works very well at work, at social events, at weddings, etc. But obviously not something that is too over the top. So I'm going to share my recommendation. Please do give it a try and please do share your recommendations so that I can try them out too. Okay. So the first recommendation that I'm going to make is Charlotte Tilbury. Again, Charlotte Tilbury, we've all heard of the brand. It is really good, when it comes to their foundation, etc. But I don't know if you guys have given this a try. The reason I like this is, again, one, obviously the size of it is so mini in size, and it's very easy when you kind of travel with it because you don't want to carry those big ones, right, every time you travel. So hence this comes in really handy, which is why I like it. And the second thing why I like it is, if you really see the shade, right, it has got nice browns and pink in it. Okay, so this brown and this pink pretty much goes on brown skin, which is my skin tone, and also goes on the fairer skin tone. And if you want to kind of glam it up, you can also use the shimmer one. Goes very well with both browns and pinks. Very nice. I'm wearing the brown shade right now. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is something that I pretty much use at work. I also use it when I'm kind of going out at night. So works very well. Pinks and browns again is the shade that you'll probably hear me speak more often. So give it a try. I know it's expensive, but trust me, it's worth every penny. You're not going to regret it. The second one I have is from a drugstore, Nykaa. Again, I was kind of struggling with finding, a palette which has all kinds of pink shades in it. I saw few at Sephora, but it was kind of a mix of pinks and other colors, and I didn't need them, so I just felt they're expensive, and I'm not going to use all of them. So this is something that I found which kind of works very well for me. It's called Daydreaming, and it's just 5.99 rupees, guys. Very pocket friendly from that perspective, and also very small, something that you can travel with. Again, if you see the color palette, if you see the colors, it has all the right pinks. It has all the right pinks, and you can add shimmer for some weddings or some events, etc., some parties. So you can do that. And again, it works on all kind of skin. So brown skin definitely works because I've tried it, but I feel it'll also work on fairer skin. It has all pink, so pretty much you can decide upon your outfit, and you want to kind of keep it light pink, dark pink, whatever it is, but works very well. Another recommendation from my side. Daydreaming, Nykaa. The third one that I have is from Anastasia. It's called Modern Renaissance. Again, something that I think I bought it almost 2 years back, and obviously I don't use so much of it, but if you see, it has again got really nice palettes. It has got like pinks and browns and nice shimmers, very light, great pigmentation. It lasts for a very long time. It's a little bit on a pricier side, but again, a great investment to make. You're not going to regret it. It goes a very long way, guys. Trust me on it. Give it a try. Again, works very well for all kind of occasions, all personality types. A little bit like mine. If you want to keep it subtle, if you want to keep it classy, this is what I would recommend. Last but not the least, no surprises here. I think anybody who loves eyeshadow will have this brand. This is Huda Beauty. Again, obviously known for their eyeshadows, so obviously I had to have them in my recommendation. This is called Rose Gold Palette. Now, I also like the mini ones, the the one that you have 4 shades in it, but they're specifically for browns or specific colors. So I kind of got this where I have all the colors that I need. This is the most experimental I have ever gone, guys. So this has, all the pinks and, like the shimmers. It also has, black, and, if you want to do a smoky eye look, you can also use for that. So I just feel that it is kind of holistic. As far as the usage is concerned, you can pretty much use it if you want to go too glam, if you want to go subtle, it pretty much works from all kind of occasions and all types. Huda Beauty, no guesses here. I'm sure all of you will have something from this brand as far as eyeshadow is concerned. But these are my 4 recommendations, guys. Please do let me know if you like them. If you say something else you would want me to try, or you have some other recommendation, I'll be happy to kind of hear you guys. Love you, and keep watching me if you like me. I'll try and make more videos and see how it goes. I hope it works well. Bye.